Hey guys, Luke Parker here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with affiliate marketing and which affiliate marketing program is going to be best for you to start with as a beginner. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm also going to show you a free traffic source that you can start using to start making affiliate sales today. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I come out with a new video, which is going to be every single week. And without any further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so the affiliate program that we're going to be taking a look at is called Digistore24.com. Now, Digistore24 is an all-in-one digital sales platform and international affiliate network. Now, the reason I chose Digistore24 is because they have sales metrics that are very easy to understand. So you can easily see which products are doing well and which products are not doing well. So that's going to be the main thing for beginners, is that we want to focus our time and efforts on products that are actually doing well and making sales. Now, Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation, including tax automation. So Digistore24 really has everything that you need in order to get started. So let's go ahead and click on the Start Now, it's free to sign up button, and we'll create our account. Okay, so now we're actually going to create our account. So if you scroll down here, you can see that you can either sign up as an affiliate or a vendor and an affiliate. Now, as an affiliate, you're going to be promoting other people's products. And as a vendor, you're going to be selling your own product. So obviously as a vendor and affiliate, you're going to be doing both. I'm going to leave vendor and affiliate checked just in case I decide I want to sell my own product in the future on Digistore24. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out my username. And once I fill out my username, you can see here that your affiliate link just down below here is automatically filled out. Now, this is going to be the affiliate link you're going to use to promote other people's products. And when someone clicks on this affiliate link and purchases the product, that's when you are earned a commission. Now, the product ID here in the affiliate link, that's automatically going to be filled out with the product ID of the product that you are promoting. So don't worry about that. Let's just continue down here to fill out your personal information like your email, password, time zone, your name, company. Make sure you're filling out all the required fields. Make sure that this required checkbox is checked. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on the Register for Free Now button. Okay, so now you should see a message just like this, which is congratulating you on creating your account. And now you want to go to the email that you used when you signed up for your account and find an email from Digistore24 that has an activation link in it. And once you find that email, click on the activation link, and this is going to activate your account. Okay, now there's just one more step. You want to enter in the password that you used when you set up your account. And then once you're finished, just click this blue button right here. Okay, so now we're in the Digistore24 dashboard, and you'll notice there's a couple messages at top here. The first one says, before you sell or promote products, please verify your mobile phone number. And the second one says, to enable us to process your payout, please fix this. Set up your payment account and validate telephone number. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, now that I just got my phone verified, I'm going to go ahead and set up my Payout account by clicking this link right here. Now, once we're taken to our Payout account, you're going to want to enter your current password, the one that you used when you set up your account. And then just below that, we have the payouts per month. Now, you have a couple of selections here to choose from. You can either do 7th of the month, 7th and the 21st of the month, or 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th of the month. Now, just below this, you'll see the possible payouts per date. So make sure you read through this before you select what your payouts are going to be per month. Now, just below this, we're going to choose whether our account is going to be active or not. And then we have the for sales in currencies, which we have the options of selecting the euro, US dollar, or the Swiss franc, or we can select all three. So make sure you choose which currency you're going to want to get your sales in. So under that, we have the notify by email, and that's going to be the email address where you want to be notified of your payouts. And then just below that, we have our payout method, which they have PayPal, US bank transfer, or international bank transfer. I always choose PayPal, so select whichever one's going to be best for you. And then we have the payout. So the payout is made without currency conversion, is made in the currency set up for your account, or is made in Euro, USD, and so forth. So make sure you click the payout, which is going to be a best fit for you as well. And then once you're all finished, go ahead and click the save button. Okay, so now that we have our Payout account set up, now we want to see what kind of products we can actually promote on Digistore24. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the Marketplace tab up here and select all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Now this is going to take us to the marketplace for Digistore 24, and these are all the products that you can promote with this platform. So if you can see here on the left hand side, these are all the different categories, and it starts with digital products, events and seminars, and also physical products. So you actually can promote some physical products on Digistore 24, and it's mainly in the skincare and supplements category. In fact, their number one selling product is a supplement, and it's actually right here. It's called Medicore. I don't really know much about it, although I know it sells very, very well. There's lots of affiliates promoting this product. And that's actually not really what I like to focus on. I like to focus primarily on digital products because that's what aligns with my niche. So I'm gonna get into more about different niches that you can choose from in the digital products category. And then we'll find a good product that you'll wanna start working with right away. Okay, now in order to find a profitable product to promote, you wanna find a profitable niche. So if you look on the left-hand side here, you're gonna see all the categories that you can promote in digital products. So they have everything from business and development to games and fun, home and garden, and personal development. So we're gonna focus on 3 of the most profitable niches, which are health, wealth, and relationships. Now, specifically, we're gonna focus on the health niche. So if we go ahead and click on the fitness and health category, these are gonna be all the products that we can potentially promote. So just looking through these here, I can see that there's already a couple products in the keto diet niche, and that is very big right now. There's a lot of people looking for these kind of products. The keto diet is a fad right now. There's a lot of people doing it. So there's a lot of interest in this category. So right here, I can see the keto desserts, which is a really successful product. It's actually the second ranking product in the fitness and health niche as far as sales go. And you can see here that some of the sales metrics, the cart conversion is 16%, which is really good. That means that about 1 in 6 people are purchasing this product after they add it to their cart. And the cancellation rate is only 2.1%, which is good. That means that this is actually a high quality product that is really helping people and people are enjoying it. So that's the kind of product that you want to promote. Now, once you find a product that you are interested in, you want to click on any kind of sales pages that they have in order to make sure that this is going to convert well with customers. So you can see here on the right-hand side, there's a link for sales page. So go ahead and click on that link, and that's going to take us over to the sales page. Okay, so now we're over on the sales page, and this is exactly what people are going to see after they click on your affiliate link. They're going to be taken over to the product's sales page, and it's just going to outline what they can expect that's inside of the product. So they're going to read through it, and it's going to show some of the benefits of the product, some of the details about what's in it. It's going to showcase some of the testimonials. It's going to go over some of the here's some of the benefits, some of the free bonuses that they're going to get with the product, and then it's going to go over here's some of the testimonials. Then if they continue to scroll down and they actually click on the claim now button and they buy the product, that's when you're going to earn a commission from this sale. So anytime you are looking for a product, make sure you walk through and read their sales page to make sure that it's going to be something that's enticing, something that actually you would want to buy after you're reading it, because this is what's going to be converting those potential customers into paying customers. So this is a good sales page. This is why it's converting so well. So let's go on and move on to other aspects of this product, and we'll move on from there. Okay, so now that we've had a chance to read through the sales page and we read through the sales metrics and everything looks good, now we want to start promoting this product. So what you want to do next is click the Promote Now button, which I've actually already done, but it's going to look just like this. So once you click that button, you're going to get your affiliate link, and this is what we're going to use to track sales and get paid. So once you get your affiliate link, go ahead and highlight it and copy it. And then I'm going to show you exactly where and how to promote this affiliate link so you can start making money. Okay, so now that we have our affiliate link, now it's time to learn how to promote our affiliate link so we can start making money as quickly as possible. So here we are at Linktree, and Linktree is a tool that will allow you to connect your audiences to all your content with just one link. So basically what this looks like is something like this, where it's a page where you can have links to your social media accounts, to your website, and to your affiliate products. This is a great tool for affiliate marketing. So want to scroll up here and go ahead and click on the Get Started for Free button, and we'll create an account. Okay, so now in order to create an account, you just want to fill out your email address, fill out your username, and if your username that you want is taken, you're going to see a red X right here. And so you might have to try a couple names before you get this green check mark. So then create your password, make sure that this checkbox is checked, and then click sign up with email. Okay, so next you want to enter in your full name right here. You want to select 3 categories that best describe your Linktree. So we'll just select a couple right here quickly, and then make sure you select I'm not a robot, and then click continue to move on. All right, and now we want to pick our plan. So we have 2 plans to choose from. We have the free plan and the pro plan. The pro plan is only $6 a month, but honestly, the free plan has everything you need to get started. And if you want to see what all the plans have in their features, you can click this compare full plans link right here. This will take you over to the page and you can see what each plan offers. But for us, we're just going to go with the free forever plan and click sign up for free. Now we're going to click on the continue to my Linktree button. Okay, so now we're in our dashboard for Linktree, and you can see here on the right hand side that this is our Linktree page. It's blank right now, so we want to start adding affiliate links to this page. And in order to do so, you can click on the add new link button. Now, in order to add our affiliate link, you want to click on the pencil icon next to URL and just paste in your affiliate link. Now, if you get an unsafe URL warning right here, Linktree can be a little finicky with affiliate links. So what we want to do is we want to fix this so we don't get this warning and we can actually enter in our affiliate link onto our page. So in order to do that, we're going to go over to a site called Bitly. Okay, so now we're on bitly.com, and bitly.com is basically a URL shortener. So this is going to make our URL more appealing to Linktree so we can start entering in our affiliate links on our Linktree page. So to get started for free, just click on the Get Started for Free button. And Bitly does have a free plan. So if you want to scroll down here, don't worry, you don't have to pay this. Scroll all the way down, you can see their free plan. Just scroll to the bottom and then click the link for Get Started. Okay, now that our Bitly account is created, now we want to shorten our affiliate link. And in order to do that, we can go to the top, click on the Create button, and we're going to paste in our original affiliate link. Then we're going to click on the Create button, and this is going to shorten our link so that we can use it in our Linktree page. Okay, so now that we have our Bitly link created, now we can customize the back half of this link if we want. We can use it just the way that it is, but sometimes it's better to customize it just so it's a little more relatable and understandable to the audience. So once we have our Bitly link finished, then you want to click on the copy button at the top here. And now we're going to head back over to Linktree. We're going to copy and paste this into our Linktree account. Okay, so now we're back in our Linktree account and we're going to swap out our affiliate link. So start by clicking on the pencil icon, go ahead and copy and paste our Bitly link in here. And this should take care of our unsafe URL warning message. So there we go, it's gone. And now we have our button on our Linktree page. So anytime someone visits your Linktree page and they click on this button right here, they're going to be taken to your affiliate offer. Okay, so now that we have our affiliate link set up on our Linktree page, now we need to figure out a way to drive traffic to our affiliate offer. So now I'm going to show you how to set up a free traffic source and build an audience around your niche and drive qualified traffic to your affiliate offer. So next we're going to head over to TikTok and we're going to create an account around our niche. Okay, so when you're creating your TikTok account, you want to make sure that you're modeling the more successful TikTok accounts in your niche. So for example, I'm looking at this account, Keto Snacks, and this guy makes videos about keto-friendly snacks. And as you can see, his videos are very popular. He's getting tons of views, and he has a Linktree account linked in his bio. So if you were to click on this link, it's going to take you over to his Linktree page where he has a list of affiliate offers. So if you were to click on one of these links and buy a product, he would earn a commission from that sale. So this is exactly what we want to do. Now in his videos, he's showing his face. You don't necessarily have to do that. And I'm going to show you some examples of other accounts where they're not showing their face. Now here's another account in the keto recipe niche where most of the videos are done without anyone showing their face. So a lot of these videos are done from the point of view style, and a lot of these accounts that do recipes and nutrition are doing this, and they're still able to grow huge accounts. So they're mainly just showing the meals that they're eating and recipes for keto diets. And this is a great way to grow a channel. If you don't want to show your face, you can still have a very successful account and affiliate business doing this. So if this is something you want to do, I would suggest taking a look at this account and modeling your videos after these videos. Now, after you get done creating your TikTok account, you want to make sure you start making videos regularly. That's extremely important to the TikTok algorithm. They want to make sure that you're posting consistently before they start pushing your content to the For You page, which is where you're going to get most of your viral traffic. So make sure you're posting at least 2 to 4 times per day, and make sure it's consistently. You're doing this every single day. It's going to take weeks, months. This is a long game. So don't think that this is going to happen overnight. You're going to need to do this for several months before you start seeing significant growth. But once you do, then you can start driving significant traffic to your affiliate link. So also make sure at the end of your video, you're always having a clear call to action to send your viewers to your affiliate link or to follow your channel. This is the best way to grow your channel and to send traffic to your affiliate link. So make sure you're creating great content, having a clear call to action, and staying consistently with all your daily posts. Okay, so I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be making more videos showing you how to make money online every single week. So make sure you stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.